Hi guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a fake fossil. You can do this at home or in the classroom. The standards it addresses, this is for third graders, and the standard that is S3E2, and it'll help students to identify fossils and draw conclusions about fossils, like how fossils are made and how they look. You can use this like along with a lesson. I recommend that. So it's just like a little fun activity the students can do to kind of see like what a fossil may look like. So, the materials that will be needed are 2 cups of flour, 3/4 a cup of water, and 1 cup of salt. I recommend starting with that much water, but like sometimes you need to add more, which like it's really necessary. So I already have my supplies all here together. I went ahead and dumped them together because it can be messy. I recommend that you do this for your child at home or like your student, so you don't have a mess in your classroom or in your house. So once you put the water in and with the salt and the flour, you will mix it, and then once it starts becoming like a dough, you'll knead it with your hands. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just kind of kneading it all together. And then you'll shape it into like a flat little piece. So let me get there. So like whatever size you want to do. I use a lot less like flour, salt, and water because I just wanted like one little piece to show. So here's mine. And then like you can use like fake dinosaur feet or fake dinosaurs, whatever you want to use, like leaves outside. I didn't really have anything, so I'm just gonna like kind of draw on it with the top of this pen. So I'm just gonna make like circles, I guess, for like my imprint. And then once you do like your design, here's mine. You can then, like, if you're in a classroom with a window, you can put all the fossils on the windowsill and let them dry in the sun. Or you can bake it at 200 for 3 hours until it's dry and then let the students take it home. Obviously, I don't recommend the students baking the fossil themselves, so that could be a hazard. And don't let the students eat it. It's just flour, salt, and water, but they don't need to eat it. So that's all I have, and thank you guys.